So here we have the species which are called African rock python. This is the biggest snake on Africa.
Welcome to my channel and Uganda Reptile village. I'm happy to meet you again. This is Saluk from Goa. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me. This is my guide.
I welcome you to Uganda Reptile Village, the center of reptiles. Here in this place we have a variety of reptiles as well. That is to say, we have huge type of a snake that is the African rock python. That is the biggest one in Africa, but it's not. It's among the snakes which are not venomous, and it's a constrictor in nature. So we have the speeding cobra. I think few of you have ever seen a speeding cobra. We have even other species like the Nile crocodiles, chameleons, tortoises, and many. We have the venomous section, which means danger, and that side has no any sign post on it. So that is the section for the python, and this is the section for the cobras. Let's go inside and see what we have. So here we have the species which are called African rock python. I've already told you it is the biggest snake on Africa. When it is really fully grown, it can be with a length of 9.8 meters and it can weight over 100 kilograms. African rock python is among the snakes which are not venomous. It's a constrictor in nature. They are more active at night. Then during day, they spend most of their time chilling, like coiling up, like the way how you see them. But they are very active at night. They like to do their hunting when the environment is a bit quiet. It is one of the common snakes here in Uganda, especially in areas which is near water, places which are near farm, like which has a bushy environment, because that is where they normally hide in until after getting something to eat. Those are one of the safer places for them where they can hide. Very many people kill these snakes whereby they don't know their use. But these animals, they are very useful to our community and to we people at large. How? They help in balancing the ecosystem. But here, some people normally kill them because they don't love them, and there is a scripture in the Bible which says, whenever I see a snake, crush the head, which is wrong. Because this one, they help us balancing the ecosystem, and other people, they kill them because they eat them. Others, they kill them because they use their skin in making a lot of things.
Some kill them because they eat them.
Yes. We have different types of, actually here in Uganda we have more than 50 tribes, so sometimes they eat them. Others they kill them because of their skin, they use their skin in making drums and other things. So African rock python, it is commonly seen in most parts of the country. Although here in Uganda we have like 3 types of python, and the common one there are 2. Here we have cobras. These are the forest cobra. In Africa or here in Uganda, we have particularly more than 5 types of cobra, but this is among the ones which are commonly seen here in Uganda. This is the type called the forest cobra, or some people they call them brown forest cobra. It is commonly seen in a forest area near water, bushy environment, and they parody things. When you pile up a lot of things, expect to have a snake, because they like to be in such kind of dark where there is darkness, where they can hide, like in the holes. So that those are the environment they want. You see them coiling up together, like the way how you see them. They are trying to make some kind of vomit from each other. But they normally move around and actually go for sunbathing where there is sunshine. So this type of a snake, they have venom. If you get bitten by this type of a snake, they inject the venom, which is called a neurotoxic, in your body, which can affect you and it can lead to the day, because approximately you can be in 1 hour to die. So these are the forest cobra.
You die in just an hour when it,
yeah,
it
around an hour.
So very venomous.
Yes. So also we try to make them stand and so that they behave like a real cobra.
I stand here?
Yes.
Oh, I'm scared.
this side, so far we have covered the forest cobra and the African rock python. So forest cobra is the biggest in a cobra family. So this side we have also another type of a cobra, the spitting cobra, one of the unique snakes here in Uganda. I can see it is just there. Then we have the mamba, we have the vipers. Those are all venomous snakes as well.
We start with this one.
Yes, the spitting cobra. There's one there. There are two in. There's another one even that side. The spitting cobra, they are not so commonly seen here in Uganda, although we have them. They are seen in different regions because here in the central they are not so commonly seen. They are basically found in other regions. This one, they have two options of defending themselves. They can spit in your eyes in a distance of 4 to 6 feet.
Wow.
Then when you come closer, they can also do the bite. By that spitting, it is just to make you temporarily blind so that they can get a chance of running away, because all snakes, they respect people or they fear people more than the way how we fear them. That's why it is spits in your eyes and it is 100% accurate with its spitting. Not because it wants to kill you, but it just wants to make you blind temporarily, then for it to get a chance of running away to save its life.
Can their spits kill you?
No, that spitting cannot kill you. But if it spits in your eyes and rub them, that is the time you'll be blind forever and ever. Because they always target the open places like in the eyes and the nose. Those are the open places. But if that venom lands on the skin, whereby you don't have any wound on your body, nothing will happen because those are just proteins. And that's why they always like to eat protein things or protein food like geckos, gammas, chameleon, rats, fish, so that they can generate a lot of venom in the body, which will help them to do the hunting. Yeah.
Wow. If they bite, if they spit in your eyes and you love them, you will never see again.
Yes. But you don't need to rub your
What
eyes.
do you do? How do you know that they are snake spits?
It normally comes like a fume or water in your eyes. You feel a lot of pain.
Even if you feel a lot of pain, you should not touch your eyes when they...
Yes, you just need to use water.
I can't see very well the other one.
You can use that glass.
Don't enter there.
That is the way how it normally behaves. It first stands like that. There is the way how it expands its neck or its hood. Now it has pumped a lot of venom, so the venom is now on the tip of the fangs. So it sends a message to where they keep the venom. Then it squeezes the glands or the tubes where the venom pass. Then they come closer to the tip of the fangs or the tip, so that in case of anything, it just spits in your eyes. When it raises the hood, the venom is now near on the tips of the fangs. So it is ready now for the war.
Now it can spit in your eyes just right now.
Yes. So, and it is 100% accurate. This spitting
100% accurate.
Yes.
Is it seeing my eyes now?
It is not seeing your eyes, but they normally scan
The size of the
height.
person?
Yes, the size of the person. Then just know that here there is a eyes, then it spit in that. Because they first raise the hood, they bring out the tongue to sense where the person is, and it sends the venom. Because for them they don't have a perfect sight, they normally use their tongues, and their tongue is divided into two.
For kill your target?
Yeah. That type of a snake is over nocturnal. It is not so very active during the day. It is very active at night.
That's what it means with the nocturnal.
Yeah. Their best food is commonly frogs. It can climb perfectly, but most of the time it moves on the ground because that is where there is something that they eat. Frogs. And frogs are more active at night.
Okay, that has been our first part of reptile series. The next part we shall be talking about viper snakes and mambas, crocodile, tortoise, chameleon and birds. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and press the notification bell such that you are notified when I upload the next part. See you, pals.